And this is what your Windows 11 desktop look like after end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to get this blur effect widget on your Windows 11 desktop. I'll show you step by step how to install these skins and how to set up these skins. Let's dive into the video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to get this macOS blurry widget on your Windows 11 computer. First you have to install this software called Rainmeter. Links are given in the description box. And one more thing, this customization is not going to slow down your system. Then you will see some default skins. Just right click on it and then unload these skins. Okay, then you have to unzip this file. Links are given in the description box. You can download from the description. Okay, then open this folder and in here you'll see a skins called macOS blurry. Just double click on it and then click on install. Okay, so it will install the menu bar and you have to hide the desktop icon and you have to hide the taskbar as well. Go to taskbar behavior and click on automatically hide taskbar and then right click on this menu bar and select macOS blurry and then select dock. Okay, then drag down dock to the bottom and click on this Apple icon and then drag down this. Okay, now we have to add more widgets, so click on hide tray icon and open Rainmeter and then click on refresh all and expand this, and in here you have to select this info and click on load, and then you have to load this Microsoft Edge as well and music and the weather widget. Okay, now we're done here and place it. And this is it. I hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.